Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues that your iPhone does not ring when incoming calls. So just go to the settings to fix that issue. So just going to settings and just go into the sound option. So you just have to just go to sound and haptics and see that you just have to just check the volume button is off or not. So sometimes you see that the silent mode off and my ringtone and volume is low down and I'm not listen any sound incoming call, so that's why you just have to just check that option. So you just have to just volume up. So other thing is that you just check that your silent option is off or not. So if you have a button of the right corner left corner of your iPhone, just on it just like that, it's gonna silent mode, and it is up is gonna off. Make sure that it's off. So after that, you see the option of a ringtone, just click on that and just select a reflection default that ringtone setting. Just go back, and other thing is that you just go to the back and just go to the general section, and it's going to software update and it's update the latest iOS version. After that, just go to the scroll down and see the option of a transfer reset iPhone, and just tap on a reset and reset all the settings from here. If problem not gonna solve, after that checking the options which I'm gonna tell recently. So after that, you restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem gonna solve, and you receive the incoming call. So the last option is that just search option of a phone. Sometimes it's showing in the front interface, but it is not showing. So just going to the phone and see the option of incoming calls. Click on that and just select that banner version. And other thing is announce calls. Click on that and just click on that option and just scroll it down and just turn it on that section. So the thing is just go back and just restart your iPhone. After you start your iPhone, check that it's working. So it's gonna work. So that's the video. Make sure like the video and subscribe the channel for the more videos like that.